Today's video, we are going to organize my kitchen and also clean the cupboards and put things in place. I want to create some kind of space, so I hope you do enjoy today's video with me. So to start with, I'm going to show you around in the kitchen. My kitchen is in a mess right now. It's a bit dirty, because I'm just trying to get things around and all that. So I'll show you around and then you see how it looks like. Okay, so when we go in, I have in here this cupboard where I have my spices. I think I've shown this before. Organize my spice cupboard with me. So I think that one look quite okay, but the one at the top need a little bit of organizing, because you see, you can see a few more space at the top. I want to make good use of it anyway. So that's the first one. The second side is this one, like it's two cupboards attached but separate anyway. So if you remember one of my videos, I put this IKEA kind of stand into that cupboard to organize it down, and so all the cups and things there, I just put it on. And I'm also thinking of doing something to the bottom here where the glasses are. I don't know what I'm going to do to that yet, because you can still see there is a bit of a space left up there, so I may end up putting something there too, I don't know. And then this one is my other side. This is the other side of the kitchen. So when I come back, you can see actually how it is. This is where I started from, and this is this other side. So my kitchen cupboards are not that much. I have some at the bottom, but it's not much anyway. So I'm thinking to pack the things at the top there, those noodles and stuff, put some kind of maybe basket or something there to organize them properly and create more space. And then this one's sorry, I just dropped those things like onion and stuff down there, so my space is all gone. So I'm going to organize them too. And then when we come here, sorry, as I said, this is how messy it is right now. I just place things on top of the kitchen surface, and this is my under zinc. This is the space I have there. I put this plastic kind of organizer there and pack the things on it, but as you can still see, because of that tap going down there, I couldn't have a space to put those things around there and left one of it. So I'm going to organize the rest of the stuff inside there using a basket. Here are the kitchen organizers I'm going to use to organize the cupboard and stuff. One thing is, this one was like 3 stacks of them. There's only 2 left here. I used one for my that is soap dish and all that. I just put one down here for my soap dish, if I can remember. I show you that. And then I have these 2 here for, this will be like maybe for the laundry stuff and that. I bought one of these from the bottom one was £2.50 from B&M, and then the inside one is about £3 from Tesco. I bought this earlier on before I realized I need another more. When I went to Tesco, it was finished, so I decided to buy one from B&M. It's actually, like they said, makeup essentials. I guess it's an organizer. You can use it for whatever you want to anyway. So I have here this metal organizers. I think this one you can put inside a cupboard or any space that you have up in your cupboard. So
this is the first cupboard I'm use to organize like cups and stuff. I'll try to empty it to make sure the metal can go in, because it's quite a bit, some of them are a bit tall, so it will not allow the basket to hang in properly. So just going to try that and see how it will be like. And yeah, it gives me some extra space in the cupboard. As I said, most of the things like flat pastas and all that, I can put them right at the top of the metal, which is really good. And those ones that are a bit taller, I would set them up. I think I've cleaned some of the cupboards already anyway, so it's like I just did a bit of wiping around before putting some of the things in the other ones. Those that are clean, I just pack the things in. So as I said, you see, it's very good, as the pastas are very flat. You put it there and it's all out of the way and stuck in there. Really good. These kitchens are like, these houses are really expensive, but then the storage and things in the kitchen is not that much at all, thinking of how much, you know, the house cost and all that. Anyways, I'm going to give the upper one a little bit of a wipe before I pack the things in. If I had
This
a
is
bit
really
more
tall and
space
long,
or
so I'm going to
like
put this one back
some
in
kind of
the
space around in my kitchen, I will have built my own like unit or cupboard where I can put like pantry. Yeah, that would be a good idea, a pantry, just to put some of the things away, because you know we eat a lot of food and we store things and all that. All of this we use them, but we need to store them somewhere, and putting them in some of these cupboards, as you can see, is very close to the ovens and all that. Some of the products, they don't really like the heat and all that, so you realize that when you take it out, the cupboards do get warm when you are cooking, if you understand me. Yeah, they do get warm, condensation and all that, so it's not really good for it really, but that's what we have and we have to make good use of it. So we really can't change it for anything. Yeah, you just manage what you have around. Anyway, I'm done with that one, and this is the side I put my onion and stuff. I just actually left the onion on the, like, I put a lining on the cupboard before I put the onion and garlic and things on it. So now it's a good idea to just clean all that out and then arrange my things properly, so it's easier for me when I'm cooking to just grab what I need and just use it very easier than just spreading all around. It even destroys the cupboard, you know. Onions and garlics, they do extract, like, bring some kind of juice and stuff, yeah, colored, yeah, which is really not good for the cupboards. I hate to see my cupboards looking like full of stains and all that, especially in a new house. It doesn't give me that motivation, like, go ahead. Anyway, so this is the side I put my glasses and all that. From the one at the top in the unit, you can see that I arranged some cups on it. That was a metal, one of those organizers I bought from IKEA. I made a video on it. I think I remember that. Yeah, I made a video on it when I was putting all those in. So that's how I hide my cups away. I don't have a lot of them because I know I don't have space, so I have just limited of them. Some are at the back and those are the front anyway. And I put my sugar tea stuff in the middle. Those are the black tins. I'm planning to bring them out and create a space for them to be hanging at the side there, which is the next plan, and open that cupboard up for more space to store things. So now you see this metal that I put in. It has allowed me to put some extra things there. Anyway, so going on, this is my zinc. A lot of people have this in the house. This space is really tricky if you look at it. One time, that stand that is there, I think I made a video on that one too, how I managed to put it and pack it. I can't remember. Anyway, I think I made a video on it. And so it was all like scattered and very tricky the way the thing is designed down there. You can't really put anything properly anyway. So the best thing is put a basket and arrange the things in. That is the only way you can get all your things into there. So I managed to create this little, organizing space using that stand I bought from eBay, and now at least I can pack all my things right inside and they all like look good and away. Anything I need when I'm washing or going to do things, I grab them. As I said, how I wish I have extra space. I like space to keep things good and all that. Anyway, so that is the end of it, and this is how the kitchen cupboard look when I open it. You see that the noodles and stuff are there. I've arranged them, and you can see my cooking books and the pasta and stuff. All the tall things are at the top, which is, yeah, easy to reach. Some of them my hands cannot reach because it's quite tall. So anyway, so this is the onion side. As you can see, you understand what I mean. I got a two stack of it. So the onion and garlic are at the bottom, and then the paste and all that at the top. And this is how it all looks, well, organized for me the way I want it. And I put my baking stuffs and other little stuff that I need when I'm using there, and that is it. This is the end of it, all the organization I did. I added some extra plain, you can see some plain organizer at the bottom there. I put the sponges and stuff inside, and so that is the end of it.
Anyway, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this kitchen cupboard organized with me and creating space in my kitchen. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.